So I'm finally getting around to making this video, my thrift store Barbie clothing haul part 1. Yes, I've taken 7 bags of thrifted Barbie clothes. I've washed them all, in some cases even repaired them with a needle and thread, and I've sorted them into, I believe, 9 different piles. We have 2 long skirts, 9 short skirts and tutus, 1 bathing suit, 6 short dresses, 6 long dresses, 4 homemade or knit items, 8 tops, 9 bottoms, 3 jackets, a total of 48 items. Wow! And if you're wondering who this exquisite beauty is, this is Zari, and she is the latest addition to my bad girl family. So stay tuned as we take a closer look at Zari, as well as all of these clothes. There will be hits and misses and definitely some disses. And be sure to stick around to the end as Zari puts on a fashion show modeling some of our favorite and not so favorite things. Hello, darlings, and welcome to Bad Girl Makeover. It's Will, and thank you for joining me. I'm so thrilled to finally be sharing with you my thrift store Barbie doll clothing haul part 1. Yes, I ended up with so many clothes and accessories that I've decided to split this into parts. So I'm not sure, there may be a part 2 and 3. We will see. So I want to first off say a big thank you to Anya at Small Plastic World. I followed Anya's advice on how to clean Barbie clothes, and so what I did was I gently hand washed all of these clothes in cold water with just a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Then I gave them a cold water rinse and laid them flat out on a towel to dry. Easy peasy. All right, we'll take a closer look at these clothes in a moment, but in the meantime, let's get a closer look at Zari. And I love, love, love this doll. She's so pretty. She's got striking hazel eyes, and she has the 1998 goddess, I think it's angel goddess face sculpt. She is, I believe, the first wave of Barbie Basics dolls. Yes, from 2010, I think. And she is model number 4. And she would have come in a little black dress with black shoes. Love her makeup. She is so fierce. She's got that gold eye makeup. And what I want to say is a gold, copper lip color. That color is also the color of her manicure and pedicure, if you can see, I don't know. Very nice. As you can see, she's been dressed in this fashion, and this is from, I think it was 2005, the Becky Mod Party reproduction gift set. I ended up buying her from a local collector on Facebook Marketplace, and they were downsizing their collection. She came dressed in this outfit, of course, and I paid $40. It was a little bit more than I had wanted to pay, but I think she was well worth it. I really wanted this doll, and I wanted this fashion, so it was worth it to me for sure. And she is, of course, on the Model Muse body. All right, so let's get into these fashions. So I'm just going to go through these all. I'm going to ask that if you know the origins to any of these fashions, that you drop a comment down below, because they're all going to be numbered. First off, there's this black and gold metallic mesh kind of skirt with the little belt buckle. Very interesting. And we've got this pink long skirt. It's got some boning in it, almost like a corset. And it's got this interesting little blue mini skirt with the elasticated top and some little lace bottom. Very nice. It's got a Velcro fasten at the front and these little ribbons. There looks to have been a little buckle at the back. Now the short skirts. We've got this holographic mini skirt. I do know where that's from. I think that's from one of the pop star Barbies. We have a little tutu, another little tutu. This one's kind of like a flower petal tutu. We've got this skirt in purple, very interesting, like a little fairy skirt. We have a plain denim mini skirt, another denim mini skirt, but this one's got the multicolored pink print. This one's interesting. It's like a bright pink and kind of like a highlighter fluorescent yellowy green color. Now I've got duplicates. I've got two what appear to be grass skirts. Okay, the one bathing suit. Okay, short dresses. We have this blue and black and white polka dot number. We've got this little kind of nautical themed one with the anchors in navy blue and the yellow stars. We've got this shiny kind of like in blue. Very nice. This orange and kind of pink multicolor print dress with the blue ribbon. We've got this kind of purple flame motif dress. And one of my favorites, this little pinks and kind of fuzzy mini dress. Now for jackets, we have this blue kind of felt and white satin Letterman jacket. This blue hoodie with the working zipper that I featured in my last makeover for the Hart family mom. And then this kind of pink and white, I don't know if it's like a smock or like a cardigan. Okay, the hand knitted items. This is interesting. It's a two-piece. We've got little shorts and a top. We've got a hand knit sweater, almost like a cardigan. It's got a couple of little snaps. It's got some little sparkly threads throughout it. And then this hand knit sweater, very cute. I actually like that. That'd be nice for, hopefully it fits Ken. And then for the tops, we've got this Barbie branded frilly bottom top with the off the shoulder look. We have this purple top with the little bow. Another multicolored top with the pink and the little floral motif. A white cotton type of top. It's got little horses forming a heart in the middle. This little top here, the one shoulder halter style. It's got a little zebra, giraffe, lion. Very cute. This kind of knit brown top with the kind of like gold threads throughout it. This multicolor top, I like that. It's very cute. And then this, I want to say it's like a little veterinarian top. It's Velcro. It's got these nice little button details. It's got Barbie. Pants. We've got these 3/4 length, kind of like in periwinkle, I want to say, with the little pleats at the bottom. 3/4 length, I want to say. These purple tights, which I had to do a repair job. The seam had split, so I sewed that up. These kind of 3/4 length capris or clam diggers or whatever you call those, with the little cuffs at the bottom, like those. It's like a denim material. These metallic kind of gray with the silver thread, kind of like, again, 3/4 length shorts. These odd pants, they're pink with these brown kind of felt. I don't know if those are supposed to be like riding pants, like equestrian horse riding pants. It's got the little detail on there. Again, another pair of whatever these are, equestrian pants, or these are in cream. A pair of boxer shorts, pink striped. These were badly stained. I did get some of the staining out, and the seam was torn. I had to repair that. These are definitely Ken pants. These are like a cotton twill in beige. The little cuffs at the bottom, very cute. One of my favorite items is this pair of overalls, kind of like painter pants with the little splashes on it. Now, unfortunately, this does not fit Barbie, but I have a feeling this will fit Francie. Okay, now on to the long dresses. This is probably my favorite out of the long dresses. It's kind of like this fishtail gown in pink with the silver sparkles and the little waistband, very cute. This looks like it could be a nightie. The little lace, it could be Barbie branded, it could be homemade, but this totally brings back memories of my childhood. So maybe I saw this as a kid, maybe it is a Barbie item. This was badly stained. I had to spot treat it with some of the dishwashing liquid, but the stains came out fairly nicely. Now this reminds me so much of, I don't know if anybody else had these as a kid, a toilet paper roll cover with a doll in it. Yeah, this dress is probably one of my least favorite. I think it's hideous, but I mean, this part of it is nice, the bodice, but the rest of it is kind of like ick. This dress is totally ugly, and yet somehow I think this is gonna look good. Yeah, feels very plastic, sounds very plastic, but yeah. And then finally this white, possibly wedding dress, but I don't think this is for Barbie. I'd be surprised, it's kind of big, so yeah, I don't know if that's gonna fit. So now it's time for the most fun part of this video, the fashion show. Woo! All right, so I've decided I'm going to start with this long skirt. I really want to see it on. Yes, I have a few looks to go through. Hopefully I have the energy to do this. To make this work, I might need you to help me with the incantations. So here we go. First one's gonna be all the peanut butter sandwiches. Boom, there she is. Very nice. I love this skirt. I didn't have a pink top in this clothing haul to go with it, so I just left the top that she had on. As you can see, there's that blue skirt underneath. Very nice. Yeah, I would probably pair this skirt up with something different, but for now, that works. Yeah, while she's still got that pink top on, we could try a tutu. Yeah, why don't we try this tutu, okay? All right. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Spring is in bloom. And boom, there she is. Very nice. She's really giving legs for days. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a cute little tutu. I really liked most of the short dresses, I have to say, so I would like to try them all on. So this is gonna be fun. Why don't we start with this? Okay, so what am I gonna say? How about banana? Boom, there she is. Very cute. This dress does fit a little on the big side. Looks like it could be tapered a little bit more, but yeah, I love this dress. I'm sure it will come in handy. While she's got this dress on, I did want to just try this blue and white jacket on, just for the heck of it. All right, so once again, what's B stand for? Barbie, but it also stands for banana. And boom, there she is. What a cute jacket. I love it. Very cute. All right, let's get a closer look. Hi, Barbie. Okay, I think I'm going to go for this little blue sparkly number. All right, what's the word of the day? How about bananas? Boom, there she is. Ooh, I likey a lot. Oh my goodness. Very nice, very nice. Do a quick 360. Ooh, gorgeous. Let's go for the orange one. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a nice change. Okay, yeah, what are we gonna say? How about orange? As in, orange, you glad I didn't say bananas? Boom, there she is. Very nice. This is a great color on her, and the dress is cute too. Yes. Get a quick close up. Very nice. Yeah, we're gonna go for this little nautical themed one. It kind of reminds me of Popeye. Okay, what do you do with a drunken sailor? Boom, there she is. Very nice. Ooh, her dark skin tone really shows off these clothes nicely. And I want to say they fit a little large. Maybe it's because of her model muse body. Maybe they'll fit a vintage Barbie a little better. But yeah, I think she looks fabulous. Oh, the pink one, my favorite, or one of my faves. This totally gives me Romy and Michelle vibes. So on that note, I'm the Mary and you're the Rhoda. And boom, there she is. Wow, all I can say is this dress did not disappoint. Very nice. Love it, love it, love it. Cute. And her shoes match now too. Okay, I guess we should probably move on to some of the pants and tops. I wanted to pair these two up together. So yeah, what are we gonna say? How about Bob's your uncle? Boom, there she is. Ooh, I like this look. Love, love, love. She's looking good. Okay, I think I'll keep the top and try these purple leggings, I want to say. Okay, so what do we say? How about one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater? Boom, there she is. Yes, the purple works too. Love, love, love. Very nice. She's doing a great job. Let's hear it for Zari. Wow, she's really got stamina. Okay, so now I feel like maybe I should try a skirt or two. Maybe I could do, well, will that work? Oh, maybe. We can try it. What's shorter than this skirt? My attention span? Boom, there she is. The skirt is super cute. I think I have too many patterns going on. I love the skirt though. Perhaps with a different top. Okay. What should we try now? How about some long gowns? We'll try this nightie. It's kind of boring. It's cute, but I mean, a little old-fashioned. All right, let's just say nighty night. Boom, there she is. Yes, it fits a little large. It's kind of meh, but whatever. She would look good, I'm sure, in a paper bag, so it doesn't really matter. She's so beautiful. Yeah, so that's the nightie. Okay, before we do my favorite gown, why don't we try... Super curious to try this. There's no cure for ugly. Boom, there she is. Yes, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, like I say, I think Zari could make anything look good. I kind of like this little cape feature. Yeah, it's quite the odd combination of colors, but like I said, she'd look good in a paper bag, so she can rock it. Maybe ugly is a harsh word for this gown. I would say it's kind of ugly. All right, my favorite. Yeah, my favorite gown. Okay, I know you're gonna look absolutely stunning in this. So, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most pretty doll? Boom, there she is. Ooh, I love this gown. I think I know the answer to that question too. It's you, Zari. You're the most pretty doll of them all in this gorgeous pink and silver fishtail gown. So lovely. All right. Well, Zari, you've done a wonderful job today on your first Bad Girl modeling assignment. And I'm super thrilled that you joined me today for this clothing haul and fashion show. Zari thanked you as well. And please let me know what you think of these clothes or any of these looks in the comments down below. Also let me know if there's anything that I did not have Zari wear today that you would like to see. I'm sure you will see it in a future Bad Girl video. So thanks, and be sure you're subscribed, comment, and like this video. And until next time, bye for now.